I'm now going to talk about the DPU software development kit. So one of the key elements of the software development kit is the tool flow that enables users to take C++ or Python code and target the DPU. The user first creates their code and their weights, which can be trained by a variety of methods. And Omnitech provides a quantization tool which can convert floating point 32 weights into 8-bit weights to achieve very efficient results, and we can show some of the accuracy figures of that as well. We then have a compile tool which takes the Python or C++ code and compiles it into microcode which will run on the DPU. So the two files produced by this flow are the microcode and the quantized weights. The microcode and the quantized weights are then used when the DPU is running, and the other part of the DPU, which you can see on the right here, is that we provide an API and drivers that enable the DPU to be integrated into a user application, either on a PCI Express card or embedded SoC FPGA, and they will access the microcode and the weights to implement the chosen neural network. And because we use this overlay architecture where we compile microcode within a few seconds, that means that if you want to run a different neural network, so for example if you want to switch from GoogleNet to ResNet, you can just upload new microcode within a few seconds and operate a different neural network. For software integration supplied with the DPU, we have a full API which will enable the DPU drivers to be integrated to a user application. To illustrate this, we provide a very simple application with a few lines of code showing how this can be done. So we also provide a more graphical server application which shows the DPU running, streaming images and showing live results, and you can see the user interface operating here. And finally, the SDK includes the compile and quantize tools. Because the DPU can be programmed using standard Python in TensorFlow, that means the user can take advantage of all the TensorFlow features, such as, for example, TensorBoard, which we're showing here, which breaks down and shows graphically the neural network that you've designed. So we can see here how the command line quantize tool operates, and we can see here how the command line compile tool operates.